Good morning everyone. It is a pleasure to meet you. And today I would like to present you a shoreline land. With the total area of 202 acres located in Mueang District, แหลมกล ตราด with over 1.2 kilometers of shoreline. So over there in the background is Good Island, and over here is Chang Island, and both island is a popular tourist destination in Thailand, which has a ferry ship to ferry people around, including cars. This beach is approximately 10 kilometers from Cambodian border via Ban Thamodas Road that connects Thailand's and Cambodia's import and export. This beach is where I'm currently chilling at. It has 1,234 meters of shoreline. The total front area of land at shoreline has over 49 acres. In between the shoreline and the road has over 199 acres.
We'd like to offer you a sale of Suvarnakul Beach or Suvarnakul Island. You can bring investors to invest here. Or if you yourself are interested in investing or doing a joint venture with us, you are free to contact us. As when the border is officially opened, I can ensure that these areas will prosper. People will be gathering here thousands and thousands a day, as half of Cambodia is landlocked. So Cambodians, including Chinese and people who live there, will be gathering here, traveling and spending their vacations. It's not only a beautiful beach that they'll be experiencing. There is also a casino 10 kilometers from here, as well as a golf course. And I can say that you cannot find a beach as peaceful and as natural as this one. A kilometer from here has an estuary at the entrance, and there is another one located 3 kilometers from here.
There is also a 50-meter canal at the back where fishing boats and cargo ship and yacht can pass through. There are also 20-year-old pine garden and pine trees along with coastline about 49 acres.
And let me tell you that right here at Trat, there's no industrial factories, so Trat is free from pollution. If you're interested, you're free to contact Suvarnakul Group. You can choose the way you'd like to invest as your choice, whether you'd like to do a joint venture, buy a part of a land for further investment and development, or anything as your choice. You can also come for a visit. Suvarnakul Beach is located at the opposite of the Sub-District Administrative Organization of แหลมกล Mueang District, Trat. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you and hope you have an amazing day.